1-minute read: renewing your PCP the right way. If you're reaching the end of your PCP agreement, timing your renewal can make a big difference to your finances and options. Renewing too early can put you in negative equity, while waiting too long might see your car's value drop. The sweet spot is usually within the last 6 months of your agreement. By this point, you'll have a clear picture of your settlement figure, the car's current market value, and any potential equity that could go towards your next vehicle. Dealers are often keen to retain customers during this window, so it's also the best time to negotiate a strong renewal offer. If your car's value still exceeds what you owe, that positive equity can form the deposit for your next PCP. But if depreciation has outpaced your payments, gap insurance can help cover any shortfall if your car's written off before the agreement ends. Bottom line, start reviewing your options around 6 months before your PCP ends. Understanding your equity, checking market conditions, and comparing deals early ensures your next move is financially sound, whether that's renewing, returning, or switching to something new.